Hey, what's going on guys, I'm Ryan and welcome back to another video. You guys are doing absolutely fantastic. In this video, let's have a look at this Carpuride W901 Pro version. This is a portable unit that supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, both wireless. So there's no need for installation, nothing there, just plug it in and you are good to go. This Pro version has dual Bluetooth, so it connects to your phone via Bluetooth and it also connects to your car via Bluetooth, so dual Bluetooth connection. On top of that, you can use the aux cable, or last case scenario, you can use the built-in speaker on the unit itself to play some music. I'm going to cover all this, guys. Let's start with a quick unboxing. And guys, if you're not subscribed to the channel, please consider subscribing. Thank you very much for your support. Before you go, let me just say this in terms of resolution: 1024 by 600 IPS screen. I must tell you, I'm very impressed with this resolution and brightness of the unit, as you guys can see here from this clip. Yeah, very good. All right guys, let's do the unboxing. So being the Pro version means yes, two-way Bluetooth, and we have the screen straight away and some accessories. Okay, so this is basically everything we have. That will depend on what you order. For example, the camera, it's an extra, and the CD player holder, I mean, that's another extra. So we have our screen, our unit, 9-inch unit, 3.5mm aux cable. We have one support for the dashboard with a 3M sticker, so it will go on the dashboard like that. You can use some screws if you want. You got the camera, as I mentioned, with all the accessories. This is the reverse camera. We got our power lead plugged to your cigarette lighter socket. And we have this mount for the dashboard as well. This is extensible and this will rotate for a better angle. Of course, you can put it on the windscreen or on the dashboard. It's up to you. Alongside of this, of course, you get the user manual and how to install brackets. Yeah, so some paperwork. Yeah guys, so this is basically everything you get in the box. In my case, of course, you have different options, so pick what you want when you do the ordering. Alright, so let's have a quick walk around the screen itself. We got the logo there, 9-inch size. On this side here, there's nothing. On the back, we can see the built-in 5-watt speaker, the mount, of course, and a light sensor. When you go to darker areas, the screen will dim and vice versa. On this side, you have a power in, a USB, AV out, reverse camera in, one micro SD card slot, and one microphone jack if you want to connect to an external microphone. On the top, you got the power button, and on the front we have our microphone built in, and that hole on the back, I believe, is the reset hole. Okay guys, back to the car. Okay, so now the unit is on. As you guys can see, again, there's only one cable I've been using for power. There's a hardwire kit if you don't want to see any cables connected to the cigarette lighter, so you can plug it to the fuse. That's for another video if you guys want to. So this is the main screen, and as you guys can tell, the resolution is quite good. So you got the Apple CarPlay there, and you have the Android Auto. We're gonna test that in a minute. You got the mirroring function. We're gonna test that as well from the iPhone. Auto Link, this is a wired Android connection. You got the equalizer, pretty comprehensive. You got your Bluetooth connections. At the moment we can see it because it's connected to this very phone I'm using. USB, so you can charge your phone, connect to a USB stick, same with the card, so you can play your MP3 files or video files. We're going to test all that. Transmit, this is where the Pro version is a little bit different. So you have your FM, so on the radio down there on the car radio you put the same frequency and this unit will transmit to your FM radio. And of course Bluetooth transmit. If your car has Bluetooth, so we can send whatever this unit is playing directly to the car speakers. On the settings here, you can pick your language. You can see which iPhone or Android is connected to your car. You can use the Wi-Fi connectivity, and this is a bit of a warning, video warning, park line, parking settings. I do have the camera, but it's not installed currently. Maybe this is for another video. There is also the brightness, so we got auto brightness or manual, and as you guys can tell, this screen is pretty bright. And this is the sound settings, where you can select the volume of the music and the volume of the navigation voice. Okay, so on the upper CarPlay menu, very straightforward, as you guys can tell. So you got your main icons. On this window you got your music, navigation. Here you can see our main apps. You got Waze, YouTube Music, etc. Because I set this one as a right-hand drive car, so the menus will stay there, otherwise the menus will go to the other side. So you got your recent applications there, like Spotify. You got your upper CarPlay settings, where you can, for example, select the wallpaper. Yeah guys, I'm really enjoying this. For the Android Auto, I've got my Android phone here. You'll see the Carpuride there. And here you will see the Android Auto main screen with all the apps as well. So perfect, as you guys can see. Let me now show you the sound quality. I'll try to show you through this microphone. I'm using another camera now, so I can use my iPhone connected to the Carpuride. So I'm using the car aux now. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to switch between the FM transmission and the aux. Inside my own world of make-believe, kids screaming under cradles, profanities. Yeah guys, the aux connection is it's better, let's put it that way, but the FM transmission is not too bad. Of course, having a CarPlay unit, you have Siri. Hey Siri, how's the weather like in London?
It's currently cloudy and 23 degrees in London.
To use the AirPlay function, you need to connect your phone to the Wi-Fi, and then on the mirroring, you should have the Carpuride there. And there you go guys, the phone is mirroring. As you can see, yeah, the video is playing alright.
But then, this came through. The Ring Strike Pro is some sort of archery toy. Completely different Amazon package.
355 to 348. Many of you have watched Hoovie's Garage and know that he had a black 340.
You have here on the screen, it will mirror to the Carpuride. So as you can see, it's mirroring quite alright. In terms of Netflix, you won't be able to stream any content using Netflix. So the content will just play on the phone. Other than that, the mirroring function works quite well. Of course, if you want to play some videos from your phone, you can do it. Look at that, pretty cool, right? Alright.
Charlie's.
And if someone calls you, alright, you got this option. Hello?
Hello?
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you perfectly.
Alright. Yeah, it does work quite well. Alright, I'll speak to you later. Thank you.
See you later.
Bye bye.
Bye.
Hey Siri, text my wife.
What do you want to say to Charlie's?
This is a test message.
It says, this is a test message. Send it.
Send.
Done.
Yeah, perfect for phone calls and messages. Yeah guys, as you guys could see, pretty straightforward, so you don't need to take your hands off the wheel. You can do everything with Apple CarPlay. Okay, now let's try play some files from a USB stick. It's right there on the side. First thing first, you need to remove the warning for the video. Of course, you shouldn't watch videos while driving. This is just for the purpose of the video, of course. So USB, and there you can see audio, photos or videos. So let's start with audio. Cool stuff. And now for the videos, see what we have here. This is the videos I use for testing the projectors on the channel, so it's probably a very heavy file. Yeah, this is not supported. And as you can see, this is a 1080p file. It's playing quite well. Of course 4K will be tricky for this unit to play, but a 1080p file is playing alright. Yeah, but the majority of the files I have here are not supported. This is a 720p file, so no worries there. Yeah guys, should be fine to play files from a USB stick. MP3 music should be fine, MP3 for example. Video files, if you go 4K, will be tricky, but you get the idea. Pretty cool. Just to show you guys, currently mine is on the dash. You can put it on the windscreen directly, so the same mount. And this is the look from this side and from the other side. I do have a mount for the CD player. Let me show you how does it look like. Yeah guys, so far so good. I've been enjoying this unit, and if you are on the market for something like this, a portable unit, no installation needed. For example, if you have more than one car and you do really need Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, I think this might be for you. I'm going to leave a link down below so you guys can check it out, the current price, and I'll try my best to get a good discount coupon for you. If you enjoyed the video, click the like button, and please guys consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you very much for your support. Like always, thank you very much for watching, and hope I can see you all in the next one.